Good morning students, welcome to 4th standard mathematics. Today we are going to start with chapter number 1, that is place values and different numbers. Now before I start this chapter students, let us go back to standard 3. I think in standard 3 you have all learned place and place values. You have all learned about some of the Indian place value system, and I think you have learned the numbers easily up to thousands. Okay, so if you remember standard 3rd place values up to 1000, this will be much easier for you. Okay, so now let us start with this chapter, that is chapter 1, place values and numbers. The first very important topic that we are going to see for this chapter is Indian place value system. Okay, now for your information students, there are two types of place value systems: Indian place value systems and international place value system. We will learn about international place value system in 5th standard. Okay, so let us now focus on Indian place value system. Now every time we are given a question that represent a number in Indian place value system, you have to draw this in the form of this chart. This chart is called Indian place value chart. Okay, now let us first understand what things are there in Indian place value chart. In the Indian place value chart students, there are 3 periods as you can see: ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. So how many periods are there in Indian place value chart? 3 periods are there: ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. Okay, now in ones period students, there are 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. Ones period is over. So remember this thing, ones period has 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. Then comes what period? Thousands period. Students, thousands period has 2 places: thousands, 10,000s. Clear with this? And then comes lakhs period. Lakhs period students has again 2 places: lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay, let us revise this chart once more, then we will start giving you numbers. How many periods are there in Indian place value chart? 3 periods are there. Which are they? Ones period, then thousands period, then lakhs period. Please remember, ones period, then there is no hundreds period, then there is no tens period. Directly we have thousands period, then we have lakhs period. Inside ones period, there are 3 places. Which are there? Ones, tens, hundreds. Inside thousands period, there are 2 places. Which are there? Thousands, 10,000s. Inside lakhs period, there are again 2 places. Which are there? Lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. Now let me give you a number: 7, 4, 6, 2, 9, 8. Okay, I want to represent this number in Indian place value chart. Let us write one more so that all figures are occupied. Say 1746298. This is the question. And what is the question? Represent this number in Indian place value chart and write its number name. I repeat the question: represent this number in Indian place value chart and write its number name. So remember, first you will draw this Indian place value chart as it is. I repeat, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. Inside ones period, what places are there? Ones, tens, hundreds. Inside thousands period, what places are there? Thousands, 10,000. And inside lakhs period, what places are there? Lakhs and 10 lakhs. So we will start writing this number in this. Now there is a method to start writing the number. Never start writing the numbers from the beginning, because it may give you an error at the last. Always start writing the numbers at the back. So see what sir is doing. 8, 9, then what is that? 2, okay, then what is that? 6, then what is coming? 4, 1, 7. Correct? So you can see the question that sir gave, 1746298, is represented by sir in the form of Indian place value chart. Now we have to write the number name also. First understand what is the method to write the number name. 17. This is what? Lakhs. Correct? So 17 we pronounce as what? 17 lakhs 46,298. Okay, now let us repeat once more. These two numbers are in which period? Which period? Lakhs period. So how do we pronounce? 17 lakhs. These two numbers are in which period? Thousands period. 46,000. These three numbers are in which period? Ones period, and we do not speak ones. We do not speak like 298 ones. We just means remove one. So how do we speak? Once more. 17 lakhs 46,298. Okay. 17 lakh 46,298. We are not speaking ones. Okay. So we will write the number name also. Achha, one more thing before the number name, we have to represent a number properly. How? We will write the number 1 7 4 6 2 9 8. Now pay attention. You might have seen many times in numbers there are commas. These commas are based on the period. Remember and see. These two numbers are in which period? Lakhs. So after this lakhs period gets over, we will put a comma. Can you see? These two numbers are in which period? Lakhs. So once this lakhs period get over, we are putting a comma. These two numbers are in which period? 1000. So once the 1000 period gets over, we will also put a comma. This is the standard way to represent the number. This is not compulsory, but just for your understanding, I am showing it to you. So now let us write the number name. Say 17 lakh. Don't write lakhs. This is not the correct way. There is no plural form of this. It is only in singular form. 17 lakh 46,000. 46,000. Then what will come? 298. 298. Okay. So this is how, students, we are representing a number in the Indian place value system. Definitely this kind of questions will come. Question will read as represent a number in Indian place value chart and write its number name. So you have to draw the chart, you have to represent the numbers. You can represent the numbers in the form of commas also. And finally the method which sir spoke, by using that method you have to write the number. Okay. So just see this, we are doing one more example. Sir is writing the example question here so that all of you will have a nice understanding. Say 9247186. How many digits are there? 7. Correct? So we will not draw the chart once more. We can erase the thing so that our time is saved. Sir is only erasing the digits and sir is also erasing this number. Okay? So let us proceed. As sir spoke, do not start from the beginning, start from the back. 6, 8, 1, 7, 4, 2, 9. Correct? We'll check once from the beginning now. 9247186. So this is how we are representing this number in the Indian place value chart. Now first let us decide the numbers with commas. I will write it 9247186. Lakhs period gets after 92, so we will put a comma. 1000 period gets after this 47, so we can put a comma. So finally, now writing this in the form of number name, I will read it first. 92 lakh, because it is in lakh period, 47,186. Okay, so we will write it 92 lakh, okay, 47,000 then what do we have? 186. So 186. Okay students, so I hope you have understood this. This is how we are representing any number in Indian place value chart. I repeat finally before ending the video, there are three periods in an Indian place value chart: ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. In ones period we have furthermore three places: ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period we have two places: thousands, 10,000. In lakhs period again we have two places: lakhs and 10 lakhs. And these periods are actually deciding where to put the comma, and using this period only we can write the number name. So that will be all for me for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.